On this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install a Dero Wallet for Mac, the command line version. At this time in the year, we are in July 23rd, 2018, and Dero does not have a graphical interface wallet yet. So this might be useful if you want to mine or keep your Dero and you don't know how to do the command line version. First thing you need to do is go to github.com/Dero project and /download, and you can download the Dero Darwin AMD 64 and click on download. It's gonna download. I'm gonna open the terminal. Okay, on the terminal, go to downloads and tar XVZF. So going a little slower, so I did CD downloads. That's where I downloaded the dero.tar.gz, and then I'm running this command that is tar minus XVZF for Dero. So this uncompressed those files under this directory. So if I run ls minus la, I can see 1, 2, and 3 files. So there's an order you need to run this. The first one, you need to run dero-d, which is the node, the executable to synchronize the blockchain, and then you need to run the wallet CLI. So first thing you need to do is run dero-d Darwin. That will start synchronizing your computer with the blockchain, and this might take a long time until it gets synchronized. One thing you can do here to leave this running in the background is you can Control-C this. This will exit out. You can use screen, which is a tool, command line tool, for you to keep multiple screens in the backgrounds and so forth. You can search a little bit more about that. So screen minus capital S, and you can say dero-d. It's going to create a new screen inside of the command line, and I'm going to run dero-d inside here, and I'll leave it running. So the command to get out of this without closing, without exiting the application, you type Control-A and D to detach. So that process is still running, but we're back to our command line. Now we have an option. We don't need to wait until the blockchain is fully synchronized before we can run a wallet. So we're gonna play with that. We can run this command here, and it's gonna ask me, do you want to open an existing wallet? You want to create a wallet? You want to recover a wallet from the seed? You know, those 15 words we create wallets. You can recover from here, but no, I don't have a wallet. I want to create a new one. So it's number 2. You want to give a wallet a name, so I'm gonna put. I'm just gonna create a, I don't know, name called mining wallet.db. Password, I'm just gonna be the same name. You can do whatever you want. It should be this password is gonna basically secure your wallet. The password, I'm just gonna put in anything here. I just copied. I just did the same as the name of the wallet just to make it easy. But I'm gonna delete this wallet. I'm not gonna mine to here. This is just an explanation. But you should put a better password there. So I'm gonna choose English. And there it is. I have a wallet. The wallet was created. So first thing you should do, I'm not gonna do here, but you should save these words right here. those are your seed words. It can be used to recover this wallet from anywhere. You can print this out if you want and save it in a safe or something, but this is if you want to keep a lot of coins here. Of course, you should save this. This is your secret. This is like your key to reopen this wallet anywhere. So okay, let's say you want to start mining here. You can already. You just type 1. Not mining on those wallets, sorry. If you want to have the address so you can start mining here, you can just type 1 to display your account address, and this is your wallet. This is where you mine it to. That's all you need, right? So, but if you start mining right now and you start getting payments and your wallet's not synchronized with the blockchain, you're not gonna see the coins there, but they will be there because they're saved in a blockchain. You need to wait until this wallet gets synchronized, and the wallet, no, I'm sorry, the blockchain, they will start synchronizing to get synchronized with the with the network, and then you're gonna be able to transfer the coin from here and see your balance and everything like that. So there's your balance would show up here on the bottom. I have 0, and even if I transfer something here, we wouldn't see this here again because it's not synchronized with the blockchain. The options here to transfer coins from here to a exchange to another wallet, it's pretty straightforward actually. You can just type create transaction, actually send Dero to another wallet 5, and tells you the password. The password was my wallet, and then the destination address. You get a destination like my own address. Type here, and then ask me how many Deros I want to ask. I want to send 1. Do I need a payment ID? Some exchange will require there. If you don't, you should say no. And then error, insufficient unlocked balance. I don't have nothing. I can't send anything, but I try. But it's exactly how you do to send a wallet. Sorry, it's exactly steps that you need to do to transfer coins, and it's simple as that. So let's say I want to go back, close this out, type 0, and I'm back to the command line. Let's say I want to reopen this, right? So I want to check if the blockchain is synchronized first. Okay, screen -x, Dero D. This is still synchronizing. Okay, the block this is on 5,511, and I need to get to 288,000, so it's gonna take a little while until it gets here. So it's synchronizing, you can see, but it's not there yet. So when it's completely synchronized, it's matching this value with this, then we're good to go. We're good to transfer coins and receive coins. Like I said, you're already good to receive coins, but you're not gonna see in your wallet. So I'm gonna run that command again, the wallet again, really quick, and I'm gonna open existing wallet number 1 and type mining wallet and password mining wallet. Here I'm on. Okay, it says mining wallet doesn't exist, so I think I need to type .db. I'll type 1 again, mining wallet.db, mining wallet. Okay, so successfully opened wallet. So I'm back. If I type 1, it's my same address I had before. And okay, I didn't save that seed that time. I want that seed again, and then I can type mining wallet. It's gonna display me that same words again that I can save and be safe, put in my safe, and delete this file if I want. So there's all kinds of stuff you can do here, but this is, I think, enough for you to know, for you can start mining and transferring coins from here to the exchange. I hope this video was informative, and I see you guys next time.